Hi colleagues and students, how are you? I've been missing from doing videos for a while, so I do apologize that you haven't been able to see any of my videos to learn. I've been rather busy with something else. However, I've got something interesting for you. So today I'm going to help you to cook delicious spicy chicken rice made easy for you, but while learning English. Okay, so listen carefully and do watch the whole video so that you can have the best results. So this simple recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a special occasion with just few spicy ingredients and basic cooking skills. You can create a flavorful and aromatic dish that you will really love. In this video, I will teach you step-by-step guide on how to cook spicy chicken rice to perfection, from preparing the ingredients to serving. So be sure and watch until the end and give this recipe a try. Right, so let's go to the next slide. Do follow me on each slide. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. Okay, so let's see what you need. You need 1 chicken cut into pieces, 2 medium cups of basmati rice, 2 medium onions, and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, a small piece of fresh ginger, 1 green fresh chili, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, but add 2 teaspoons of salt in the beginning, 5 to 7 tablespoons of oil, half a tin of tomatoes or 3 to 4 fresh tomatoes, and then you need a saucepan or a wok with a lid to cook in. So again, 1 chicken cut into pieces, 2 medium cups of basmati rice, 2 medium onions and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, a small piece of fresh ginger, 1 green fresh chili, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, but add 2 teaspoons of salt in the beginning, 5 to 7 tablespoons of oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use rapeseed oil, or if you use a blend of oils, half a tin of tomatoes or 3 to 4 fresh tomatoes if you don't have a tin of tomatoes, saucepan, of course, or a wok with a lid to cook in. Okay, so follow me now on the next slide to read the instructions. So let's now have a look at the instructions. I will read them twice, so do read and listen carefully. The words which are in bold, you need to really learn those. So measure the quantity of rice. Measure the quantity of rice. Remember using the cup. Wash the rice thoroughly. Wash the rice thoroughly. This means thoroughly means really, really properly. Soak for half an hour. Soak for half an hour. So after washing the rice, leave it in water. It can be warm water or hot water. Dice the onions. Dice the onions into small bits. Put the oil into the saucepan and heat it a bit on a medium heat. Put the onions in and fry it a little. Stir slowly. Add the washed chicken, and now you can add other ingredients but keep stirring. It's important to stir so it mixes properly. Add salt, red chili powder, green chili cut into 4 pieces. Add 4 cloves of fresh garlic chopped. Add finely cut ginger and garam masala, half a tin of tomatoes, and stir properly to ensure everything is mixed. Cover, let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes on low heat. Continue checking and stir occasionally. If it needs a little water, put half a cup and let it cook. Once the chicken is cooked, add hot water and let the water come near a boiling point. You can now taste the water to check if you need more salt. The salt should be obvious because when it mixes with the rice, it will taste fine. Now add the washed rice gently. Remove the water. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes and then lower the heat and cook for another 10 minutes. Once the water has dried and the rice is not fully cooked, get a tea towel and put it on the saucepan and cover it with the lid. Turn the heat off. Let it cook in the steam for another 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, but if you find there is still some more water, so instead of covering, then just cook another 2-3 minutes and you can put it on a medium heat. So you will need to see whether the water has dried or not. So follow me on the next slide then for little extra notes. Okay, so here are some extra notes for you that you can actually follow. Use the same cup to water. So in other words, the cup you used to measure the rice, use the same size cup to put water in the rice. 1 cup of rice is equal to 2 cups of water. If the rice has been soaked for longer than half an hour, then reduce the water and put 3.5 cups. Okay. If you find the rice is still firm, you can wet the tea towel and place it on the saucepan and cover it with the lid on a low gas. This will create extra steam. Check after 5 minutes. If the rice is cooked, turn the gas off. Leave it covered for another 5 minutes before serving. Remember, practice makes perfect. It may not be perfect first time, but you will need to keep trying. Now, something a little bit extra for you, a little bonus. If you find it's a little bit too spicy for you and you don't really like too spicy, you can have just plain Greek yogurt with it. You can eat side salad. You can have some fruit, side fruit. You can have a banana with it, or even have a glass of milk for yourself. Okay, and that will won't burn your mouth too much, but next time when you cook again, you can reduce the amount of spice. I hope that you will try it, but remember you are learning English. I thought this was something different to learn English with by cooking. So hope you enjoyed it, and it will help you with your English. Do try it and let me know in the comments what the rice was like. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Until next time, bye bye now.